my channel. I hope you're all really well. So in today's video, as you will have seen in the title, I am going to do my food shopping at Aldi. I have not been yet, so I'm going to go pretty soon. And yeah, I have not been to Aldi since March, so since pre-lockdown. And it's normally my favourite supermarket because it's cheaper and I just think it's so much better. But I've just been ordering food or sending pizza, so I'm looking forward to going, as sad as that sounds. So I can hopefully spend a little bit less money and get lots of good stuff. So, excuse my hair, I don't even know what is going on with it this morning. It's like rolled out of bed, and I'm going to try and get to Aldi pretty early and hope that it's not really busy. I'm not going to take you with me because, one, coronavirus, I need to try and avoid people, and I'm not going to be able to do that if I'm going around Aldi filming. And two, I am not quite at that comfortable stage yet of not looking like a complete and utter crazy person walking around a supermarket or anywhere with my camera. So yeah, so I'm going to leave you guys here and then I will show you everything that I've got when I come back. And I've also done my little meal plan. I did it really late last night. I do this all the time, so I'm running out of ideas, or I feel like I am. I thought it might be a great idea if anyone that's watching this has got some great meal ideas, please put them in the comments below, because I am always happy to get new suggestions and great little easy recipes to do, because I just run out of ideas, or I cook stuff and then I forget about it and never do it again. So the meal plan that I've done this week is pretty basic. So I'm just going to do fajitas tonight, and then I'm going to do spag bol after that, quesadillas, Chinese takeaway, pizzas, Sunday dinner, and then chicken pasta. So that is 7 nights of meals, and I will just share with you what I got for those meals when I get back. Touch wood, as long as they have everything that I want.
It's raining.
Is it raining?
Yeah.
Oh, seriously, it's raining, Archie says. Seriously. Just not summer, is it? It's supposed to be July. Where's the sun?
In the clouds.
In the clouds. So yeah, I will catch up with you guys when I get back from Aldi. Wish me luck. Okay, so I am back. I got soaked in the rain, so just excuse the state of me, but you have probably seen me at my worst now. So who cares? This is just real life. But yeah, I am back. I spent a small fortune. I bought the whole of Aldi. I spent £100, but I got loads and loads, and not all of it was like food stuff, so I shall show you exactly what I picked up. So I'm going to start off over here on the table. So I've got this 30 pack of crisps, the Snack Right variety pack, because the kids and Peter are crisp mad, so they won't last very long. Peter can start taking them to work, and yeah, with 3 boys, crisps just don't last. I picked up this, which I have never tried before, but I really like a chili con carne, and Peter hates it. And this is in a tin, so I don't know if it's just going to be gross, but I just saw it and I thought, that might be good for like a lunch for me. When it says tasty chopped with avocado, which I love, so yeah, that might be worth a little try. A couple of pizzas, margaritas, the nice cheap ones, and I also picked up this for me and Peter, which is a bacon and mascarpone one, a little posh one, so I'm really excited to try that. Pack of crumpets for lunchtime, mainly for Toads. I bought about 4 packs of these instant noodles because, again, they're good for a quick snack. I know they're no good, but they're just good for a little dinner or something. So yeah, I got some chicken noodles. They're just, to me, exactly the same as the super noodles. So there we go. I don't see how they can ever be that different, to be honest. Big pack of ham, so that can go in wraps and sandwiches. A double pack of bacon. This is going to be great for the weekend. Peter loves a bit of bacon on the weekend, so bacon butties all round on a Sunday. I got a couple of packs of chicken goujons. I'm sorry that I'm not really doing this in any order. I've just like thrown it all out the bags. But I got 2 packs of these chicken goujons because the kids tend to, when we have fajitas, tend to prefer to have it with chicken like this in. They don't really like the chicken that me and Peter have. This might be a little bit spicy or anything, so they will have them on their wraps. I also picked up some red pesto. I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to use that for yet, but I just love pesto. I did mean to buy some hummus, which I like pesto in. Oh, sorry, my phone's buzzing. But I forgot to buy hummus, so I might actually have to make my own. I got some mini waffles to go on the sides of the kids' food. So there's the other pack of goujons. Some flat peaches, which were on the Super 6. I really love these. I think, aren't they the ones that are called donut peaches as well? I love them. They were so cheap. Couple of tins of these soups. There's another one somewhere, so Peter can take them to work. He loves a tin of soup. I couldn't think of anything worse than eating something like this. It's just not my bag. But yeah, I got him a chicken and veg one. I also got him a beef one somewhere. I got some of these, which I absolutely love to have, one with frozen veg. No, I do not. What is up with me today? Frozen fruit and like a Muller light yogurt. All mixed together makes like a really nice sort of eating mess, but obviously a lot healthier. So I picked up a 8-pack of meringues. I picked up some mushrooms. These are going to go in the fajitas and probably go in mine and Peter's quesadillas. I picked up some dippets for the kids. Obviously, you know, pretty self-explanatory that is a little snack that will be gone pretty soon. One each in there. Custard creams, because the kids love custard creams. Pack of cherry plum tomatoes. Toby gets through these like there's no tomorrow. He just sits and snacks on them, so we always get through a lot of tomatoes. I bought some butter for baking because Archie's always getting on at me to bake with him, so we can make some simple biscuits to ice, and I also plan to make some Rice Krispie squares with them, so I got some butter for that. And I got some Nord pack. Love this. Obviously it's like Lurpak, but yeah, it's really nice. It's obviously really buttery, so that is always the one I get. I got a couple of packs of grated cheese because I'm lazy and I do not want to grate my own cheese, so I got 2 packs of them. I also picked up these Fibre Now bars, which are just like the Fibre One bars, you know, as you can obviously tell by the name and everything. And I have had one of these when I came in, and they are very nice. Very sweet, but I love anything salted caramel, and I can definitely say that this is nice. It'd probably be nice hot. Ooh, a bit of ice cream maybe. But yeah, really good for 83 calories. Hit the spot. Very nice. More noodles there. I got 2 boxes of honey hoops because the kids have just gone through a phase of loving these at the moment, and they last about 3 bowls and they've all gone, so I got 2 boxes of them. I managed to get my hands on some flour, which I haven't had for a long time, so again we'll really come in for the baking. I got a plain and a self-raising. I picked these up. Again, these were supposed to be dipping in my hummus and stuff, but I'm going to make some because I'm pretty sure I've got a tin of chickpeas, so I'm going to make some of my own hummus, I think. But I love these. I love anything that I can dip in things, so yeah, looking forward to having them. Some granola bars, because I'm always buying granola bars for the kids. If you didn't know, Toby doesn't like chocolate, so he prefers things like this. I also picked up these rice cake bars. I've had these before and I really like them. These are the chocolate orange flavour ones. I'm trying to eat a little bit better, so these are going to be like my little treats when I can't cope with the sugar cravings anymore. Moving around here, I got, these are mainly for Dilly and Peter, but some sausage rolls, another pack of pasta because we get through pasta really quickly. And I also thought I'd try out this dog food for Rudy. I have never bought the Aldi dog food before, but I just thought how different can it be really, and he really needed some, so I picked that up for him. And then I will move over to the other area where all the shopping is now. So starting over this side, I'll go left to right. I got 2 packs of diced chicken, one for the fajitas and one for the Chinese fakeaway. So I do like breaded chicken with breadcrumbs and egg, and obviously coat the chicken pieces, and it's a little bit, well, not really, but it's basically like a sweet and sour chicken ball sort of dupe. So yeah, we'll do some sort of chicken balls with that. I also picked these up, which is not food related. I did get a few bits that weren't food. These are for the gallery wall I keep banging on about that's going to go up the stairs. So I got 2 more grey frames that I saw. Can't remember how much they were, but couple of quid I think, so I was happy I found them. A blue milk for the kids, a red milk for me. Yeah, I don't like anything other than red milk. Don't like the thickness of blue milk, it could just go through me. So I always have a red milk. A loaf of bread, this one is for the kids mainly because they prefer white bread to brown bread. A pack of Pink Ladies, which is always the preferred choice in this house, but they're always so expensive. But I think these were on offer. These were on the Super 6, but they were like £1.50, I think. So I got them. The only thing I find in Aldi is they can be quite battered sometimes. They can be all like bruised, so I made sure to get a good pack. But yeah, they were a little bit cheaper because they're normally like £2.50, which is quite expensive for 6 apples, isn't it? Well, I think so anyway. I got some giant buttons. These are to go on our Rice Krispie squares. Sorry if you can hear Rudy barking. Yeah, so these are going to go on the Rice Krispie squares that I plan to make. Well, they'll go on Archie's and Dylan's, not Toby's, but I thought that'd be nice to drizzle some white chocolate on the top. I got a bottle of cordial because we drink a lot of that in this house. A big bottle of washing up liquid. I picked up these. I just noticed these are a couple of pound. Some kids hangers. I'm not sure how many there are. 10 hangers because we needed more hangers, and I just spotted them as you do when you're in Aldi and thought, oh, need them, so picked them up. A full pack of kitchen towel, a huge pack of beef mince, so this is obviously for the spag bol, and I want to make a really big one so that I have some left over for the next day. There is that other tin of soup that I mentioned for Peter to have. I picked up a pack of malted milks, again for the kids, that'll last all of a second. I got 2 packs of marshmallows, these barbecue marshmallows, which will be for the Rice Krispie treats. Also, if the weather does plan to get a bit nicer, which by the looks of it at the minute, it just looks horrendous. But if it does, then we can do them on the barbecue and make some s'mores, which is always a firm favourite. I picked these up for Peter. These are like those, they're called, can't even remember what they're called, but they're like those other brands of crisps that you can get. Yeah, they're saucers. I hadn't seen them before. I don't know if they're new or not. And then I also got him some pop-outs, which I love these, to be fair. I got a jar of Bolognese sauce, and that is just super easy and cheap. So I picked up one of them. So I picked up a bottle of vanilla. This is going to go in the Rice Krispie squares. Again, banging on about these Rice Krispie squares. Better be good. But yeah, I like to put a bit of that in there, and that is so cheap in there. It's like 65p. So expensive everywhere else. The Muller Lights, but they're not. They're broccoli, but they're the same. Broccoli Lights. 3 raspberry and cranberry and 3 strawberry. They are exactly the same to me as Muller Lights, so always worth picking them up from there. I'm not 100% sure what the price difference is actually, but they'll be cheaper because everything is in there, isn't it? I got some Basmati Rice, just the plain one. This will be when we have the Slimming World curry. Not curry, I keep saying that. Slimming World Chinese. The kids have plain rice. Because Archie and Toby can't have egg, and then me and Peter have egg fried rice, but I tend to get one of these and then add other things to it. So I'll add some veg and more egg and just bulk it out a little bit. So yeah, I picked up a couple of them. I picked up a couple of these pasta and sauces, cheese and, God, I can't talk today, cheese and broccoli. Peter can take these to work also. And then a mug shot. I don't even know why I've picked that up, but I've obviously just felt the need to throw that in the trolley as well. Sweet and smoky barbecue mugshot. I think they're on offer and I was just panic buying. So yeah, just a few more sachet things. A 12 pack of free range eggs. I also picked up a couple of boxes of hay fever tablets because any fellow hay fever sufferers will feel my pain. It's just been not great lately. And then a couple of backpacks of the old ibuprofen. Pack of carrots. Got one trying to escape there. Couple of avocados. Have not had avocados for ages, so yeah, I'm glad I bought some of them. Oh, I got wonky blueberries. Didn't know they were wonky. So yep, they'll be great for the kids, and again for putting with yogurt. A pack of salad. A huge pack of strawberries because they are something else that goes straight away in this house, so I got loads this time. Some raspberries because these are Archie's new favourite little things, so I got him a box, well, mainly him, because I don't think the other two really like them. So yeah, a pack of raspberries, tender stem broccoli because it's just my fave, spring onions. These will go on like the quesadillas for Peter because he likes to have spring onions on his quesadillas, and a bag of bananas. What else have I got? 2 packs of wraps. So obviously the quesadillas need wraps. So the kids and probably, well, no, the kids will have these plain ones, and then me and Peter can have the seedy ones. So for the fajitas and the quesadillas, I've got 2 packs there. Lots of wraps this week. So sorry about Rudy. He's just in the mood to play, obviously, with the kids. Big pack pack of potatoes. They can go on the sides of meals and things. I'm really enjoying doing Hasselback potatoes at the minute. Oh god, we're just like mixing up olive oil, butter, bit of garlic powder and mixed herbs and putting it all over your potatoes is just absolutely delicious. A big softener because I'd run out of softener, and then I picked up this which I've been wanting to get my hands on but obviously haven't been in to get it, but the some of the toner that's like the Pixie sort of brand, isn't it? But I really like these, so I picked up a toner, and I also picked up this, which I love, this serum, this Q10 Renu Serum. So there we go, that is pretty much everything from this week's shop. And now I've got to put it all away. I hate that bit, it's the worst bit. But I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, it would be so nice if you gave it a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, then please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here, and I will see you again for my next video, guys. Bye!